Human machines had destroyed our homes and our pond in Farthing Wood. Frightened and thirsty, we were forced to escape. We began a long and dangerous journey to White Deer Park, a nature reserve which only Toad knew. Slaking our thirst at a swimming pool, we journeyed through the night. But as dawn came, a road lay between us and a safe place to rest. It was almost the end for Ada, and Toad, who was exhausted, had to be rescued by Fox, our brave leader. But at last, everyone reached the safety of some army land, where we sank into an exhausted sleep.
Do stop snoring, dear.
Me? I don't snore.
That's what you always say. But I think your snores are positively earth-shattering.
I say! It's a pheasant shoot!
For once, I do believe you're right, dear.
For once.
Whee!
Well, what are they using? Cannons?
Badger, wake up! Wake up!
Where am I? Huh?
Oh, is it an earthquake?
What's going on, Kestrel?
I'll go and see. If I was a rabbit, I'd be panicking.
Don't panic! Don't panic!
Where's everyone going?
They're going back to the road. And listen to the traffic.
They'll get themselves killed.
When perched between two evils, the best solution is to stay still.
Easier said than done.
Stop those rabbits! Thanks, Ada.
The pleasure was mine.
Rabbits, stay right where you are till told otherwise.
I can't stand creatures shouting at me.
Pull yourself together.
I will calm the rabbits down, Fox.
Good luck.
I can't go on. My nerves. My nerves.
I'll round up the others. Ada, keep an eye on them.
Only one? As you wish.
Fear, Rabbit, is the greatest enemy. Conquer fear, and you can conquer the world. For he who fears nothing has nothing to fear.
He said, calm them down, not send them to sleep.
Oh, I suppose somebody always profits in a crisis. But does it have to be you, Molly?
A lot of feet are coming this way. See anything, Kestrel?
I see soldiers carrying guns.
Badger, round everybody up. We've got to stick together.
One of the soldiers has raised his gun. He's sticking a knife on the end of it.
I say, that's none too sporting.
Now he's attacking a sack.
A sack?
It's hanging from a branch.
Why? What's it done to him? It's a game.
A strange game.
Stupid female.
imagine. Afraid of a sack.
I don't know why he didn't just shoot the thing and be done with it.
Kestrel, is it safe for us to come out into the open for water?
Yes, you'll be quite safe. They're all running away. They're miles off already.
You'd run if you were stung by a wasp.
Follow me!
Right. Are we all here?
All except Moley.
He's probably gone down after his dinner.
Mole, you've had enough worms. It's time to go.
Oh, it's another explosion.
Do we have to?
We must stick together, Moley.
I can highly recommend the marsh mole. It afforded me the tastiest, juiciest breakfast I can ever remember.
Come on, everybody. No stragglers, please.
Nobody cares about me.
I was stung on the nose once. It hurt for weeks and weeks.
Come along. We're going for another swim.
Water. I hope it's not far.
Hello there, matey. I thought you were a gunner. And look at you now. No worse for wear at all, eh?
Al was right. Look at this.
Water's very bitter, but lovely and cold.
I bet Toad's enjoying himself, eh? Where is he?
We can't lose our guide. Ah, look, keeping the newts company.
Poor old Toad. He's worn out from yesterday.
I thought Kestrel said it wasn't far.
It isn't if you're a bird.
Pace too fast, Toady?
No, no, no. I enjoy a nice walk.
Come on, baby.
Thank you, Fox.
At last.
Travelled too far yesterday, Fox. Too fast for us small animals. Too slow for you. True, Toad. It's very uncomfortable for us, the larger animals.
Oh dear, it's all my fault. Oh, I'm sorry, Badger.
I didn't mean you were making me uncomfortable, Moley. Go on, eat your worms. It's all right.
You're right, Badger. We can't slow our pace any further. What are we going to do?
I know. What Adder needs is a sting in the tail. That'll make her move.
I'll give you a sting in the tail.
Some weasels never learn.
Perhaps it would be better if we newts stayed here.
Oh, no, certainly not. Where there's a will, there's a way. Adder's going on, aren't you, Adder?
I suppose the mice get deliciously fat in a nature reserve.
Adder, remember the oath?
This journey's much too hard for us, Fox. I don't think we could make it, no matter how slow you all went.
But the newts have everything they need here. And they're quite safe. Nobody comes near this end of the marsh. They'll not do any better at White Deer Park.
I suppose you're right, Toad.
Don't like it. Not in the team spirit.
As long as no one else wants to leave.
That's settled then. We're staying.
You do see it's better for us, don't you, Badger?
I suppose so, but I don't like it.
Well, I'm afraid we'd better be going. I'd like to get round to the other side of the marsh before night. Goodbye, Newts, and good luck.
Thank you for everything, Fox.
Time to go, everybody.
Goodbye. Moley, where have you gone now?
Here I am.
It's time to go.
But you said I could look for worms.
Later. Later.
One day, Moley, you'll be so fat you'll get stuck down one of your own tunnels.
Oh, pardon.
Throw that away! It might be dangerous!
Oops!
Are you all right, dear?
I'll never be able to turn my back on anyone again.
That will be a nice change.
Is that all you're worried about?
When you've been shot at as often as I have, Fox, you'll realise nothing's more important than one's personal dignity.
The quicker we're out of here, the better. Get into single file, everybody, and don't step out of line. This is dangerous country. Toad? Where's Toad?
Too tired to move.
Take a rest, everybody. I'm going back for him.
While we've stopped, Badger, can I get down?
What for?
I drank a lot of water with those worms.
Fire! It's that sting on the end of your nose. It's affected your sense of smell. I smell smoke. I do, really. You can't fool me again. I'm not going to panic.
Look! A red glow in the sky! Have you seen Toad?
Yeah, but the mice and voles are close behind.
Kestrel! Have you seen Toad?
Danger! Danger! Fire! Fire!
Fire! No, mustn't run. Must find Toad.
Mole, where are you?
He went down there,
That little puddle?
looking for worms, I expect.
Oh, that greedy little...
Oh dear! The poor thing will be drowned!
Mole, come out of there. Mole? Mole! Oh, you silly, greedy little mole.
Fire! Look! Ah!
You're running straight into the marsh.
Don't panic!
Permission to run away. Please.
Oh, certainly not. We can't leave Mole.
He who lives by his greed dies by his greed. Oh, shut up! I've not tasted weasel in ages. The oath! The oath!
Have you seen Toad?
He was with Ada. You can't go back there. There's...
Kestrel, tell the others they must wait for the slowest of all, and then you and Al lead them to safety.
What will you do?
Go back for Toad.
Owl and I will lead you to the other side of the water. You'll be safe there.
Yeah, the mice are coming.
Bet you Ada won't make it.
We must wait for her, Weasel.
I won't. I won't.
We must. And then there's Mole. We'll give them both 200 heartbeats.
200 heartbeats?
200 heartbeats.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30! I can hear my own heart. Don't panic.
Toad! Toad! Where are you? I'm coming, Toady!
Ada, is that you?
How nice of you not to start without me.
Hurry, everybody! Follow me!
But what about Mole?
He who can lose home and friends and still remain calm is beyond all grief.
Oh, shut up!
Toad! Toad! Toad?
You came back for me.
Hurry! The flames are almost on us!
Follow Kestrel round the marsh.
I can't! Oh, dear!
The little ones have got to have a breather.
Mum, will we ever see Fox again?
Of course. Fox can run faster than fire itself.
We won't see poor old Moley.
Oh dear. Better go on, I suppose.
I think we're safe now, eh, Owl?
Yes, you can stop now. What's the odds Fox didn't get to Toad in time?
Look, I can see them coming out of the smoke.
Oh, Badger, if I ever get out of here, I promise I'll never be greedy again.
Are we all safe?
All but poor old Mole. I heard a strange sizzling noise. I looked back and I saw a flame shoot out of the dry grass. It caught at the bushes and up they went like bonfires. Luckily the wind wasn't blowing our way. It was blowing the flames back, the way we'd come, to the other side of the marsh. The newts.
Oh, Badger. Oh, Fox. All my friends. What's happened to you? I'm all alone. All alone.
Oh dear, what have we got here?
Help!
The poor little fella.
The wind's changed. Seems a pity to wake him.
Wakey, wakey!
What's happened?
The fire's spreading round the sides of the marsh. We're trapped in the middle.
At the mercy of the human firefighters. Is there any way out, Kestrel?
There's a causeway, a narrow strip of land just underwater, running out to a tiny island in the middle of the lake. You'd be safe there.
Take me to it. Come on, everybody.
Here!
I think it'll be all right.
I'm too tired for swimming, and the water's so deep, I'd drown.
Yeah, so would we.
And us.
Climb up my tail. Stop it. One at a time. Well, Badger, you've got the right idea.
The fire's coming nearer.
You'll just have to swim for it. I can't take everyone. Nothing like a crisis for making you pull together, eh?
If only Mole could have been here.
And the newts.
Well, the humans are finally winning. The fire's dying out.
At the moment, the humans are our friends, but
Wait till they see us!
How will we escape?
Where am I?
There's Mo!
he hasn't seen us.
Well, he wouldn't. He's blind in daylight. Oh, what are we going to do?
Ow! Kestrel! Can you distract the humans while I run to get him?
Cool. Look. Hey, look at that.
Well, I'll be.
Did you ever see anything like it in your whole life? Shh, quiet. Don't want to frighten him then, do you?
Oh, lovely, mateys! It's going to rain!
The humans are going.
Oh, Badger, I did miss everyone, especially you.
Well, Moley, me old pal, can't say I'm sorry to have you back either.
Let's take our chance and slip away. Toad, where do we go from here?
Once over the causeway, it's straight on for the fence, mateys. Then we're off army land and onto farmland.
Hooray!
First a fire, now a storm. I can't stand it.
Oh, just be glad we're all together.
But we're not. Where are the newts?
Don't ask. There's a good chap. Up you come now.
Come on, everybody. Let's get out of here. And whatever happens, now we're together, let's stick together.